Good morning, Josh.
Morning, Kelly.
What are you working on today?
I am pulling a set of prints off the plotter here for a client to come pick up their first set of blueprints.
How does this relate to your job here at TK?
Well, I don't get to do too terribly much of this myself. I spend a lot more time at my drawing board, drawing things by hand drafting the old-fashioned way. A lot like you'd imagine architects do in the movies and stuff like that. Whereas elsewhere in the office, we have people focusing on drawing things on the computer in programs like CAD and Revit. So, we get to do a little bit of both here. They're both art forms in their own way. I spend a lot of time putting a lot of detail and love into my drawings, just the same way as people do in their plans. And then elsewhere in the office here, we have people doing 3D models with detail and love that would blow your mind. So it just really brings the home to life. And these, three different things all work together to bring your home to life in a certain kind of way. And, it's just one of those things that sets us apart from a lot of firms because you don't get to do hand drafting in a lot of places. But here, not only do you get to do a little bit of everything, but it kind of helps the client out too, because you as the client get the best of both worlds. So that's...
Thanks, Josh. I'll let you get back to work.
Thank you.